I can just cast it on one of the stones on the floor and see if their silhouette in there become a little more visible, and B, if they would be somehow blinded. If I do it here, I still can get here with my movement.
Okay.
Okay, same going here, casting light, and going back. And that's my turn.
Okay.
Did it do anything, or did I just...
If you would know anything about colorization and absorption of light, green is a very good absorption of light. That's why most plants are green, actually. I won't get into the scientific sort of thing, just know that. The good areas around you, although you do keep the longbows occupied for at least one round.
Oh yeah, the longbows are now looking at the light when they try to shoot my body.
Yes, they are looking at the light, although anything that would get in the area within the light, they will probably immediately see.
So it's a benefit, okay.
Yeah. Okay. So.
I hope there's no good orc we should talk to this time.
Okay.
Don't mistake good orcs for bad orcs.
We tried to talk to these orcs, they are bad, they didn't listen.
Now they would have seen him running from this direction.
Right?
Yeah, you see a very large orc rushing through the green fog and going around the corner. He is against the wall and throws a very large javelin at you, Tarvin.
With disadvantage from the light, or...
He actually hits you! Oh my god!
Wait. But isn't the light giving them the benefit?
It depends if he can see them, because if he can't see them, then it's disadvantage.
I mean, the light is right here.
Can
So that still doesn't hit.
Right here.
Oh, can someone
So
give
would
a
be-
good? Can put in the description of light so I could read it?
Alright.
Just one person. I
Wait.
want multiple copies.
If you drew
Okay.
the thing,
Your actions
okay.
touch an object no longer than 10 feet. So you touch the ground, right?
I touched the
Oh,
stone
yeah,
on
you
the
ha-
ground. There are stones
okay,
on the
so
ground.
you
Okay.
touched it. You touched it like here, then.
Like here, I was here, I go here with my movement, touch this stone,
Okay,
I got
so that's
back.
within 20 feet. What color did you choose?
Color?
Yeah.
You could choose a color.
The brightest freaking pink.
That's not a color!
It's a color.
Pick a
Brightest
color.
freaking pink.
Look at the rainbow and choose a color.
There is a pink between the red and the next one.
She's not wrong. I mean, if she wants to make it pink, she can make it pink.
Okay, so there's a big old cloud of pink and green light. It's like a disco. Doo, 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 doo.
It's hot pink. It's
Well, this is pretty
it's
jazzy.
painful to watch.
Okay,
Fuchsia.
Very much. Like the cap I showed you, Fabiano.
So, strangely enough, they actually saved him from being hit if he's rolling with disadvantage.
And I could hear this orc trampling through this. Do you want to make like a stealth check or something to hear like how loud this guy trampled through here? I mean, he did run at 30, so I don't know. It'd probably be disadvantage at least.
Nah, you're too far away for that. Plus, you.
10 feet away, I could definitely hear him.
Yes,
He,
you could.
he was walking 10 feet away. Actually, I don't even know if I should have to make a roll for that, but
You're hearing a lot of people dying. You're over. Hold on.
So, plus disadvantage, right?
So pink yellow. Doesn't really say. How about if I make the orc roll a perception check and then give it a little check, and if he passes
wait,
it.
a perception check to see
Yeah.
if he doesn't have disadvantage on something that just says flat out.
Oh,
you
wait,
get
yeah.
okay.
I personally can't say because I don't know how opaque this
Yeah, I mean, you said if you're making us fire into it.
Wait.
disadvantage.
What does it say disadvantage at?
If the target's vision is obstructed, you always have disadvantage on something. That means if you're shooting through a wall of fire, any kind of like cloud like this, like any kind of like fog or
Okay.
something
Like,
that you would say that vision is
can we
obscured, which you've already determined that vision is obscured, he's shooting with disadvantage.
Yeah.
Can
Oh,
we-
okay. I was
She
reading
didn't-
the light
she couldn't
descriptions,
do her
but that's
spell,
like
so they can't see
vision description in general, right? Okay.
Joey, if you want to Joey, you think about, did you play soccer or any kind of ball really outside? And there's always this one time where you are at one point and the sun is right in front of you. And
Okay.
is
Okay,
it harder?
I
Is it-
understand now. I understand. I just read it
Yeah.
different. I thought the obscuring thing was because of light. I didn't know the light in general was obscured. Okay.
No,
so
it's-
yeah, he rolled with a disadvantage, I would assume, and then yeah, that would miss.
You're
Tarvin,
welcome.
you're surrounded by green smoke. What do you do?
Has the light fade? How long does the light last?
Until she says,
1
"Oh,
hour.
yeah."
No. Oh yeah.
So literally, Tarvin, right now, you are blinded. The greens in front of you, pinks behind you. You can't see anything around you at this point.
I'm gonna ready an action. I'm gonna actually just. Has this seemed like it's just a visual thing, or do I feel like this is starting to like hurt me in some way?
It's not. I don't think the light is bright enough to hurt you since.
I'm talking about the fog. Does the fog seem like the type
No,
of thing that is
the
damaging
fog smells awful, but it's not enough to hurt you or anything.
Okay. I'm gonna just move slightly. I'm gonna stay in it, but I'm gonna stay like right on the outskirts, so like there up against the wall.
Okay.
I'm just moving pretty. I'm like kind of like slowly walking over there.
Okay. Taking.
And I'm pretty much just gonna yell out like, "Quit with all this cowardly tricks." Yeah, that's it. I don't need to do anything. I'm readying an action.
Okay. Catharsis?
Okay, I believe I have one. What's it called? Like one short sword out. Yeah, I'll have one short sword out, and I'm going to cast because I have one free hand. I'm going to cast Expeditious Retreat, which basically I can bonus action dash for a minute, and then I'm going to stab him.
The light is you're gonna have to roll disadvantage on that with the light in front of you.
Really?
The
'Cause,
light
like,
is big. The light is like it was somewhere here or here.
Oh, here? Okay, let me move the square a little
okay, here's the thing about the light though, is that you can put it on an object and it basically just allows you to see. So I don't know if it's so bright that it blinds you.
Yeah, I don't think it's a blinding thing. I don't think that's not what we were talking about. It's like what was
No, but
Oh.
it's
keeping him
like
with disadvantage.
a
The
lamp.
smoke is what was giving him disadvantage.
Yeah,
Yeah, it's
the
like a
smoke- you can't even see through the smoke, right? So because like she couldn't even use her spell, so that's why we were saying that it was heavily obscured.
Well, it's a special type of smoke. The green is what our character. Okay, the green was meant to hide the orcs, but make sure that anything that's not green to stand out incredibly. Yeah, I forgot the word. Just basically stand out greatly.
Is their gear green?
Yeah, yes, and their entire the two guards, their entirely is green or some type of very greenish. Yeah, gross. You do not want to know.
Okay, well I'm just gonna run up and stab this guy.
Okay.
So 7 damage. Is that?
How much? Oh, ooh. You take a couple of nads at him, and he's still standing.
Okay. 20. All right, so I will take an action to disengage, and I'll remove the rest of my bonus action dash or whatever.
Just to make sure disengage doesn't trigger the attack of opportunity. Also, I'm getting a phone call. Hold on.
Actually, I need to avoid because I don't like. I can't make. An
Oh, hold
action.
on. I need to take a phone call. Yeah. Okay. Right there.
Problem is the archer.
Okay, I'm
because
back.
I don't know if I should duck behind cover or because like like I can't see what's happening here with the archers though. Like
I don't know if they had a line of fire because this wall may obscure it a little,
yeah.
and the light is here is the source.
Thank you.
I mean, it's like the lamp can lit up a room, but try looking at it directly at it.
How long does that smoke last, DM? Is it starting to fade away?
It's still there. It doesn't look like it's fading away yet.
So, Dusty, what's it called? Can I possibly see any kind of archers here, or?
You are gonna have to. Oh my god. Roll a perception check. Yeah? Okay. Okay, I'm coming. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, it's gonna be like 3-4 minutes. So we're just gonna
Okay.
take a little break.
We are going to kill all of the arcs right now.
Oh my god, be right back.